face, fingers, cheek, back, arm, chin, elbow, ear, foot, eyes, eyelash, hand, hair, head, knee, neck, fingernails, bottom, eyebrow, nose, legs, mouth, shoulder, toe, tooth, face. Adam, where is the face? Fish. Where's the face? Oh, that one. Show them. Very good. Okay. Adam, where is the back? Back. Oh, tanaw sa gihanggi pick. Where's the back? Where's the back? Hala, ragon na siya, oh. Hala. The cat. Where's the back? Where's the back? Ah, that one. Lagi tanawa sa lagi. Okay.
Hindi na ito ng iring.
Iring that dong. Okay, where is the arm? Okay, very good. Aray ko. Na arm. Where is the arm? Where's the arm? Uy! Ah, that one.
Nasa sa mukha, balik-balik.
Balik-balik mo na. Adam, where is the ears? Ah, that one. Okay. Where is the foot? Oh. Correct. Very good. Adam, where is the eyes? Okay. Where's the eyes? Oh, very good. Correct again. Good job. That's eyes. Where is the head? Oh, okay. Just gatanaw ay. Ambot na lang. Oh, head. Very good. Where's the head? Okay, one more time. Where is the head? Kana lagi. Correct. Where is the neck? Where's the neck? Where is the neck? Okay, that is correct na. Correct na yan. Where is the bottom? Ah, wala pa gawin. Where is
Advance.
the bottom? Adam.
Naay ka panawag.
Bottom. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye sa.
Bye-bye.